Hey everyone, welcome back to another YouTube video, and in this video I'll be showing you guys how to fix Notion app not opening or crashing on iPhone. Force and close the Notion app, double tap or if older motor, or swipe up or double tap if older motion to show app preview. Swipe Notion off the screen, then tap the login again. This clears stuck sessions. After that, go ahead and open the App Store, search for Notion, and then see if there is an update button available. If there is, then update it till the latest version. Minor patches often fix crashes, bugs after big updates. You're gonna restart your iPhone. Press and hold the power button plus volume button. Slide to power off. Wait 10 seconds. Turn back on. This resets memory and clears lingering system glitches. Offload or reinstall the app. Go ahead, open your settings. Search for iPhone storage. Scroll down. Click on Notion and then click offload app. This will free up storage used by the app but keeps its document and data. Reinstalling the app will place back your data if the app is still available for download. Then ensure iOS compatibility and free up space. Go to settings, go to general, and then software update and install any pending iOS versions. Also check settings and general and iPhone storage. After that, free up at least 1 to 2 GB. Often its low storage often causes app instability. Subscribe for more app repair guides that actually work.